everyone, happy Health Tip Tuesday and happy New Year to you. So maybe you've made your New Year's resolutions at this point and maybe you've already started falling off them even at this point. So I want to talk about your why. The most important thing you can do is determine your why. Why do you want to reach the goals that you've set out for this year? And that's going to help you actually stay on track to reaching those things eventually. So maybe it's that you really want to turn your health around because you can't do the things you love, or maybe you want to finally do this project you've been thinking about because you feel like you won't be fulfilled if you don't do it. So determine what that why is, and that's going to really get you to be where you want to be. And tomorrow we're doing a special lunch with the doc all about moving past the obstacles that keep you from getting your goals and creating an action plan to get to your resolutions and what you want to do this year. So join us tomorrow at 12:30. Happy Health Tip Tuesday, and we